Barbatal Cheney, 2009. Battle Productions. And here we go, working on Battle of Chief Seattle. Yes, indeed. Here we go, Chuck. Let's see if we can do a little cutting of the old finger again. Little Chuck Prophet going on. A little Elvis Costello sounding there. And getting the lines clean here. Yeah, it's gonna look good. I used to say sweet. But for the old Barbatal. Sometime. And it says here, multinational corporations machine gun persuades shoppers to be jolly. That's the battle for Chief Seattle. You get the point. See? Sweet. Looking good. I think we're going to do it this way. Little Chucky baby. Here comes that little Elvis Costello sounding keyboard. Oh, not there. Yeah, getting better. The lines. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The battle for Chief Seattle. And this comes the last segment of the cutting out. These are late entry in the total Barbatal Cheney loser. And the final cut.